Hey, what's going on? Dave here, back at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana, and what a special treat. I've got a tour of this 2023 Newmar Ventana. This is the 4037. It says the ultimate driving experience. That is just the tip of the iceberg. I've got a tour of this thing both inside and out. I think you really enjoy it. Let's get started.
This is the brand new paint scheme for this year. It's called Colfax. It's got a lot of nice colors to it. We also ordered the coach in the Colfax interior, and we also ordered it on the Spartan chassis with the 400. One of the great things about Newmar, they have, without a doubt, the best ride and drive, and one of those is the Comfort Drive steering system, which we'll get to in a minute. Look at the height of the storage in this unit. How that's achieved is the star foundation that Newmar is going to put on top of the Spartan chassis. That's going to give the coach a lot of rigidity and increase the height. One of the great things that Newmar does that nobody else does is the thickness of this floor, and it's all insulated. So you got heat being transferred here from our Oasis system, so you don't have to worry about things freezing up in this compartment. Next, back here is the pegboard, we call it. It's a great place to hang some tools, put your DEF bottles, oil, everything like that. But what's behind here is your holding tanks, your fresh water, your gray water, and your black water. They're all stacked on top of each other. A lot of the competition in that other compartment I just showed you, they put their tanks forward, middle, and back. And what happens, you take 100 gallons of water and you're using it, it transfers into the other two tanks. The coach doesn't drive the same. Here, they're all going to be in the same place. So the Ventana is the first luxury coach in the Newmar lineup, and luxury meaning they're going to give you the best ride and drive that's out there, and one of the ways they're achieving that is this is a 41-foot coach with a steerable tag axle. What that tag axle is going to do is going to increase your towing capacity, carrying capacity, but steering is the main thing. As you turn the wheel one way, this tire is moving the opposite direction, increasing your turning radius. Literally, you can take this 41-foot coach and maneuver it better than you can in a 30-foot Class C. Next, I want to point out is the 15,000-pound hitch. A lot of people like to pull their enclosed cargo trailers or car trailers, and that is going to give you that capability. We also have the 7-way from Spartan already on here, and a tow brake, an air tow brake for like your Air Force One braking system. In this compartment, I'd like to point out we got a power cord reel, and for your 50 amp service, you just pull it out. Newmar has incorporated this nice bonnet right here that you can push your cord into and then shut your doors. You got nice clean lines. You don't have to worry about rodents and things like that. We also have a surge protection system built in. And here's where your hookups for your outside satellite dish. Next, we have the Oasis hydronic heating system. This is an option that we put in the coach. And what this does is it basically replaces your furnace, your water heater, gives you continuous hot water. You can go and take a shower as long as you want to. But it also gives you a water heat, so it's nice and even. It's not loud like a typical RV furnace is. And it also, when you do this, it makes the coach totally electric. So we've eliminated propane because this works off diesel and electricity. Well, welcome to your new home on wheels. So kind of want to go over a few things that we've done here with the coach on the inside. One of the things we've optioned in is the 43-inch TV in the front overhead. Kind of just gives you a second place if somebody's cooking or things like that to be able to see the TV as well. And then we've put recliners in both of the front seats, so when you spin them into the living room, you really got seating for 2, 4, 6, 8, very easily. One of the things that we've done is put the optional dishwasher in a drawer. It's a really nice, convenient feature to have. It saves on a lot of dishes. The other thing we've done with the hydronic zone heating that we put in, we went to a true induction cooktop. So any pot and pan that you can use that has metal and a magnet will stick to it, It heats up really fast. You don't heat up the coach a lot, which is really neat. Newmar also puts cutting boards on the back sides of these stove covers. But let's say you're entertaining and you want to heat some things up or cook some bacon outside. Here's a really cool feature. Just take this, unplug it, and then take it outside to the table and run an extension cord to it, and now you have a cooktop outside. Next, we put in the theater seating, which is full electric recliners. And each recliner has a USB port built right into the button switch for the recliners. And that way you can charge your phones and laptops. Great storage in here. Take a look at that storage, and moves back and forth to maximize it. The other feature we put in is the booth dinette. And the booth dinette, it's more like that restaurant style seating. We optioned in the residential Whirlpool refrigerator, this little bit smaller size, to give you the spacious pantry here. And each one of these pantries shelves, look how deep they are. And a lot of people come in and go, wow, how come I can't get this to open? Well, it's designed to stay shut while you're going down the highway. So you just kind of gently push in, pull it out, and these are adjustable on the side. So like if you want cereal boxes, high cereal boxes, things like that, you easily can move them around, adjust your height. Also new for 2023 is Newmar has done an IntelliTech touchpad system for the entire coach, which is really cool. You hit home, what you're going to see here is all your basic functions and your lights, your gray tanks, where your battery condition is. And we move along, we've got auto gen start. So you're sitting out in a parking lot and you got your fur baby still in the coach and it's warming up. You can set the auto gen start to start at 72 degrees. This is also where we optioned in the floor heat. So we got 3 zones. We got the bathroom, bedroom, and the front of the coach. And you can set the temperature high, medium, and low. A lot of people, this is how they heat the coach. It's quiet, you hear nothing. And if you're already plugged in at a campground, this is a great way to heat the coach. And then of course your heat and vac, you can go from, it's outside 46 right now, that's why we're kind of shaky. And then this is talking about the system, and then you can control all the lights from right there. Here in the bedroom, we've got the king size bed. It's a full length king size as well. Great overhead storage. Each side has a little nightstand with 110 outlets and USB ports for charging those phones. Over here we've got a control panel for the lights and the other options. His and her hanging closets on both sides, 6 spacious drawers for clothing, and then the TV, 42-inch TV here in the bedroom. Welcome into the master bathroom, and in here we have a nice window for ventilation and also an emergency exit. This is one of the Newmar's original features and pretty cool. Got a magnetic field here, and that drops down, then you have a ladder you can exit the coach. But a lot of people like to hand things in instead of walking all the way through the coach, because your closet's here, got a lot of storage there. So instead of walking all the way through the coach. And then a porcelain toilet, of course, and this is a transfer toilet to the middle of the coach. And then we have the splendid stack washer and dryer. Check out this new door for this year. Instead of the old double doors like the washer and dryer, it's easy to get in and get your clothes, hanging clothes, and laundry basket fits right there. We also have a nice big drawer down here this year that we didn't have last year. Also, we have the new Shower Miser water saving system, and what it does, instead of just normal, you turn on the hot water and you wait and you're using a lot of water, you set that temperature valve right there, and when that blue light turns on, it's right at the temperature that you want. So you can step right in, and then you have that immediate temperatured water coming out of the shower head. We also have the fold down shower seat.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. For more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV and Marine, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.